Hi, I'm Debbie Branson, Strategic Marketing Manager for the Passport Suite of Products at Gilbarco, and I'm here to demonstrate express ordering, which is our made-to-order food service. So I'm going to go to this kiosk, and I'm going to order pizzas. I can pick the pizza, and just this software is provided by Expedient, and they can help customize the menu for your kitchen. I'm going to add onions and banana peppers. Continue. And then this express ordering also is an express lane, so that allows me to order made-to-order food, and then I can also order other express items, other C-store items, and pay for them at the same time. So I'm going to check out, and I'm going to do carry out, and now I'm going to add some C-store items. So I'm going to get a water, a single, and then I'm going to pay. And I can either pay at the cashier. If I do pay at the cashier, it'll print out a receipt, and then I take it to the cashier and pay, or I can pay right here at the kiosk with a credit card. Then I can print the receipt, and that completes the transaction.